Don't have time or money for a gym or fitness equipment, but still want to stay in great shape? Here's a solution. In this video, I'll show you the 5 best bodyweight exercises that can transform your body in just 2 weeks. The 5th exercise is a game changer, so stick around till the end, it'll be worth it. Let's get started. 1. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are an excellent aerobic exercise that burns fat and strengthens multiple muscles. This exercise helps improve coordination, balance, and flexibility, making your body more fit overall. Jumping jacks primarily target the gluteal muscles, hip flexors, and quadriceps, with secondary engagement of the abdominal muscles, back muscles, and hamstrings. Swinging your arms activates the deltoid muscles. Jumping jacks are gentle on ligaments and joints, unlike running, which places heavy stress on the knees. They are effective for warming up the upper and lower body, raising your heart rate, loosening joints, and preparing your muscles for more intense activity. They also develop endurance, making it easier to handle longer and tougher workouts. Jumping jacks improve circulation, strengthen blood vessels and the heart, and provide a cardio workout that burns calories effectively. You can burn up to 100 kilocalories in just 10 minutes. They're simple to perform and allow you to control the intensity by adjusting the frequency of jumps. This makes them ideal for both beginners and experienced athletes. Proper technique for jumping jacks. Stand straight, feet together, arms by your sides and palms open. Starting position. Bend your knees slightly and jump, spreading your legs outward while swinging your arms above your head. Land with your feet apart and hands joined overhead. Return to the starting position with a reverse jump, bringing your arms back down. Slightly bend your knees on each landing to reduce impact. 2. Bodyweight squats. The bodyweight squat is a compound exercise that targets a large number of muscles and strengthens them. It engages the quadriceps, inner and outer thighs, glutes, psoas muscles, back muscles, calf muscles, and the soleus. Squats improve your ability to perform full body movements with proper form, balance, and posture. They also strengthen tendons, ligaments, and bones, reducing the risk of injury. Squats burn calories effectively. For instance, a 150-pound person can burn about 220 kilocalories in 30 minutes, according to Harvard Medical School. Squats also enhance cardiovascular health, requiring increased effort from your cardiovascular system, which strengthens it. The minimal risk of injury makes bodyweight squats safe for everyone. Proper technique for squats. Stand straight with your feet slightly wider than your hips. Keep your back straight and shoulder blades together. Lower your hips as if sitting back into a chair, keeping your knees in line with your toes. Squat until your thighs are parallel to the ground, ensuring your heels stay on the floor. Return to the starting position by straightening your legs while exhaling. 3. Burpees. Burpees are a versatile, high-intensity exercise that strengthens major muscle groups and improves endurance. They engage the quadriceps, biceps, pectorals, glutes, abs, back, and shoulders in a full-body workout. This exercise boosts metabolism, burns fat, and helps build cardiovascular strength. Burpees are effective for burning calories, with up to 10 kilocalories burned per minute. They also reduce stress, improve posture, and strengthen the spine. Proper technique for burpees. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Squat down and place your palms on the floor. Kick your feet back into a plank position. Perform a push-up, then jump your feet back to your hands. Jump straight up, clapping your hands overhead. 4. Push-ups. Push-ups are a classic bodyweight exercise for upper body strength. They engage the triceps, deltoids, pectoralis major and minor, serratus anterior, abs, glutes, hamstrings, and quads. Push-ups strengthen shoulder and elbow joints, improve blood flow, and enhance joint function. They also build muscle endurance, increase strength, and promote muscle growth with consistent practice. Variations like knuckle push-ups and incline push-ups can make the exercise more challenging. Proper technique for push-ups. Start in a plank position with your body in a straight line, palms under your shoulders and feet together. Bend your elbows to lower your chest to the floor while keeping your body aligned. Push back up to the starting position while exhaling. Maintain control and proper form throughout. 5. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a dynamic exercise based on the plank. They involve alternately pulling your knees toward your chest while maintaining a plank position. This versatile exercise improves cardio health, burns calories and strengthens your entire body. Mountain climbers work the abs, arms, back, glutes, thighs, and calves. Since they involve fast-paced movements and multiple muscle groups, they burn significantly more calories than standard of exercises. Proper technique for mountain climbers. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body in a straight line. Pull one knee toward your chest without lifting your hips or bending your back. Return the leg to the starting position and alternate with the other leg. Perform the movements at a steady, controlled pace to be why the way, friends, don't forget to check out other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen now. See you soon.